Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Today's video begins as one thing, but ends as another. You'll see if you stay tuned. All right, you've walked in the front door and this is what you see. My serious thought right now, which we'll see when and if it gets done, is to move those shelves over here. Put this fireplace in between them. And then paint them, the shelves, the same color as the fireplace. Only everything will be over here. This is where I'd like to peek in and say, for the record, the shelves are not getting painted, not yet, not for a couple more weeks. We really, really like the TV right there in the corner facing out, just like that gray one does, but it just is better on that stand. I'm gonna get rid of that black little, it's kind of a, I guess a Asian, Japanese, I don't know, Chinese, some kind of a, it's got a whole bunch of cool drawers in it. My husband loves it. I'm gonna probably put it in his little workroom downstairs. I have these two recliners. He loves his recliner, and a love seat. And just a few odds and ends. I'm gonna change everything up, at least on this side. And then over here we have the bar. We call it the bar. It's all the bar glasses and the liquor and blah, blah, blah. I don't know if I'll do anything with that yet, but it might be part of the overall finish. Okay, so I think since I'm gonna go ahead and paint these. Nope, hate to tell you, girlfriend, you're not gonna start painting soon. I'm gonna unload them onto something that'll last a week or two, or maybe 3. And get them pushed over, make sure I like it, get the fireplace pushed in, get all the furniture moved. I can do all that probably today. And then start painting. Stay tuned. No, Kathy, the future you is telling you you're not gonna paint these, not yet. But you go right ahead and do an hour's worth of work in 17 seconds. So, the day after I changed everything around and had it all getting ready to get painted, I got some news that I'm going to be hosting a party in about 2 weeks, a big party, a very important family party. I'll let you know about all that in a later video. Stay tuned. Good time for you to subscribe. Anyway, at that point, I was like, oh no. I really love how this is all set up, but I can't paint this. I need 3 weeks to a month to do this and to do a good job. And I only have 2 weeks to get ready for this party. So that's why they're getting put off. It's just gonna be put off for a month. There will be a video when I do all of that. I'm also gonna work on the fireplace. Everything's getting a brand new facelift. So I began putting the things back on the shelf and trying to decorate it and do what I can with it, with the best I can. You know, it's just gonna look like this until after this party. I have had this mirror for a pretty long time and it's just never really worked. I either wanted it to be white or a light color. So I decided to tape it all off and give it a paint job. This is not just any old paint job. I'm gonna use a couple of different spray can paints, different colors, and kind of blend them. I know the shadow's bad and all, but I just barely hit it with a can of this, and I don't know what color it is. Tan. It's a kind of tan. I just barely went over it to kind of help cover up the brown. Mostly I was concentrating on the sides. Now I'm going to use hammered, I guess a silvery or metal. Just a little bit again. I love spray painting. Always have. Anything can be spray painted. The thing is, I like to paint furniture too, and it's a little tricky to spray paint them. I'm asking Santa for a sprayer for Christmas. Okay, that's what we have so far. It's hard to tell in the video, but it does look very cool. Next, I'm gonna hit it with brushed metallic. Just a little bit. I'm gonna try to stay on the inside. I'm really digging how it's all mixing. Just a little bit on the corners. Kind of brightens them up. No, it's hard for you to tell. I just wanted to document the process. All right, that's what it looks like after all that paint job. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of the tannish. It's the next day, and I have taken it in a few times and hung it up and kind of added some color here and there. It's hard to tell through the shadow. But now I think, and I hope, the final thing is I'm going to hit each corner with the tan. Just a little bit of that. I think it'll bring it all together. I hung it up and looked at it for 10 or 15 minutes, making different adjustments. If you plan to try this at home, my suggestion is to just keep layering the colors until you get what you like. I left it painted and tried it in and out, in and out. I went with it, you know, adding color here, adding color there. It's what's the worst that can happen? You have to paint the whole thing one single color. I'm not afraid of that. I've done that many times. Okay, I think I have it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all the tape off. Also, don't forget, I'm going to paint these shelves. They're going to be probably the same color as the fireplace. No matter what, they're all three going to be the same color. It just might be a little shade different or anything, but they're going to be that light beige kind of looking kind of thing. Okay, we are back with the reveal. I did keep the black cabinet, at least for now. Mostly because we weren't ready to carry it down. I fit that chair in, again, mostly because we weren't ready to carry it down. need to do something with that wall. I have a few ideas, I just haven't put any in gear. I sure hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Then you'll get to see when I do get all this repainted. I think it's going to be super cool. I've always wanted to redo this fireplace. There's little cracks in it. It was wood when I got it, and I didn't even think that those would show little butt joints where different pieces of the molding meet. So I want to fill those in, and I'm going to have to repaint it after that. It'll be a great time to paint everything. Again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week, same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.